Reviving a legend Mercedes-Benz S550 2015 model. This vehicle came to Chomi Automobile with an issue of overheating, to the extent where it burns out the gasket. So this is the reason why this engine has been dropped today and is undergoing a rebuild at Chomi Automobile Services Limited. As you can see, men at work. The engine has just been pulled out from the engine room. As you can see, this is the engine room. The engine has been pulled out from the engine room and work is ongoing now to be able to fix this car to bring her back alive again. At Chomi Automobile, while you see we cover the face of each vehicle like this, is to be able to avoid anything that scratches the paints of the car, to maintain your car so that by the time it finishes from Chomi Automobile, it will still be looking very neat, unscratched and unstained with oil, spillage and the rest. Neatness, they say, is close to godliness. At Chomi Automobile is one also part of their culture.